Okay, so to start with, I'll be going in with this matte lip liner, and so just make a first line, second line. Okay, so just trace the outline, don't drag it, just whisper, don't drag it, just put it on. All you have to do is, all you need to do is just follow the shape of your lip. Now if you want to overline your lip, just overline your lip a little bit. Now you can go back with your pencil and just create that line. See, now let's go over. Okay, so this is how you get the upper part. You see, I didn't drag that out. All I did was just line my lip. And guys, just make sure you just lay it little by little. Now this will matter when you're applying your gloss, okay? So please make sure you're not dragging it out. Now for the lower part, it's just okay, take your time and connect. Do you see that? Now the first line doesn't have to be perfect. As you guys can see, I left out a little bit on this part. The first line doesn't have to be perfect. That is why you need to go over your lip liner, but the first line has to be some sort of like blueprint over the down line, just like I did the top line. And I'll start from here. See, all I have to do is just make sure, yeah. Do you guys see that? Like the line was not perfect the first time, but after you retrace, the line is definitely gonna be perfect. And you have to shade. Just make sure you're shading a little bit. Shading a little bit, okay? Shading a little bit. Like make it second line. Just make it second line, and see. Also make a second line right here. Okay. There you have it. And check that out. Check out how clean, out neat. Now guys, if you can't do your lip liner like mine, like if you can get it like looking this clean, this neat, you don't have to worry, okay? You can always clean them up with your concealer brush, okay, whenever you're done. But now let's go in with the blending brush. This is my lip liner blending brush. So this is what you have to do. Yeah, just make sure you're blending it out so there's not chunk of lip pencil left out in your lip. Now here's the essence of blending out your lip liner. If you are using pencil lip liner, like not the roll house, like the literal pencil, you have to always blend in, because sometimes the chunk of your pencil is like left on your lip, like maybe it breaks out during your dragging out. That is exactly why I say don't drag out. But if you drag out, no problem. All you need to do is just go in with your pencil and just blend it out, okay? And also when you're blending it out, make sure you can see where the lip liner starts and you can see where the lip liner ends, okay? That is the trick. So let's get into this part and blend it out. Just keep blending. Okay, just keep blending. Now when you're blending, make sure you blend your lips in a very neat way, okay? Don't be rushed, just take your time, okay? Now check this out. And you see that whenever you're done with your lip liner, you have to blend them out, because it just makes your lip look a little bit more natural. Now guys, when you're about to advance to the next stage, please make sure you're cleaning your lip brush. Now that kind of messes with your color. Yeah, you know, this is a black lip liner, and if I use this brush that already has a black stain on it, if I use it for another lighter shade, it's going to give me a whole different shade. I hope you guys get me. Now I'll be going in with this lip gloss. I hope you can see. Hope you guys can see. Yep. Now this lip gloss is from the Doll's House. This is the Wish shade, Wish. Okay, so you guys can get this on maybe Amazon, TikTok, or not. But this is also one of my favorite to go lip gloss. Like this is absolutely next level. Now let me try this. See that, guys? Now check that out. This is exactly what I love. This lip gloss, like it just blends out like a dream. It will be lip balm. Now guys, I have a video on my YouTube, yeah, that went almost viral, had 90k views, because I used this lip balm. And guys, this actually smells like real watermelon. Okay. And here is the finished look. This is absolutely gorgeous, guys. This is so pretty. So if you learned anything about your lip combo, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up. Please drop me a very nice comment and tell me in the comment section what kind of lip combo you want me to try on next. Thank you, my lovelies. I'll see you guys later. Bye.